If we take a look at the schematic for our lower lateral connector, we can see that this piece has a thickness of 3/4 of an inch. Currently, I'm sitting at about 15/16 of an inch on my material. Following our procedure for planing material by setting the planer, running the material through, measuring our board, adjusting the planer, flipping the material and running it through again, we can bring this piece down to 3/4 of an inch. And we now have our piece measuring a finished thickness of 3/4 of an inch, a finished width of 2.5 inches, and an oversized length of 18.5 inches.